So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about future retail latest news. We'll try to find out what actually is happening with the future group, what will happen with rest of the future group shares, that is future consumer. Next one is future supply chain, and another one is future enterprise limited as well. So what is going to happen with that also we'll discuss. Now let's see about the future retail latest update. So you can see that Mukesh Ambani will pay around 24,000 crores to 27,000 crores to buy the Indian retail chains owned by the Future Group. So this was reported today. You can see almost it is present in every article, not only Live Mint but also in Business Line as well as Times of India. So it's not any rumor. So it is a confirmed news. So that's why even all of the stocks, especially the future stocks, almost all of them were in upper circuit. So we know that Reliance is also having existing retail operations, and it already runs almost close to 12,000 stores, including cash and carry wholesale business in over 6,700 Indian towns and cities. So we can say that very diversified business even the existing Reliance has, but it wants to completely take over the retail segment. It wants to be the leader, not only Big Bazaar. So everything will be take over by Reliance, and the remaining, that is the future consumer, future lifestyle as well as future supply chain, they all will be merged into Future Enterprise Limited. So FEL, so one share will be FEL, so that is Future Enterprise Limited. So all those three will be merged into Future Enterprise Limited. So that was the latest update which was obtained today. Now we'll discuss about the shareholding, and then we'll see the next possible levels on charts. So in previous videos I have discussed, almost 4 videos I have made. So in that we discussed the 95 level will be very crucial. So I told you that you can add at that particular level, and it has respected that level, and it has given a good bounce back as well. So why he has taken that? So you can see almost because of the Big Bazaar, bargain clothing chain and brand factory. So because only the father of modern retailing, Kishore Biyani, is into these segments. So Mukesh Ambani found that I can take over his business and I can develop that business, because in future retail, because the business is very excellent, only the management is not able to take over that business properly. So once now Reliance has entered, means there will be a very great move, and the business also will be very excellent. So we'll focus on the levels. So people who have invested in it, they would be making a very good amount of profit in the coming days as well. Okay, if you see the shareholding summary, you can see that almost the public is having 36.2% stake, and you can see the promoters are having almost 41.7%, and rest of all mutual funds and FIs are having a decent holding. So that we have discussed in our previous holding as well. Now important data is we need to discuss about the mutual fund holding. So now mutual fund holding will be very accurately waiting to have a stake in this particular company. So we also know that the pledging, okay, promoter pledging almost reduced to 74.9 of holdings in June 2020 quarter, that we also discussed, and promoters have increased their stakes almost by 1.42% in June 2020 quarter. Okay, so this is also updated in the last quarter itself. Okay. Okay, next if we see the mutual fund activity, so we can see these are the activities. You can see the blue color one is the holding, green is the buying, and red one is the selling. So you can see how the holding is been taking place. So currently you can see in June 2020, currently the mutual fund houses are holding a very good quantity, and selling only is seen. Okay, little bit selling is seen, but one important thing is that buying has not been done. So from April, May and June, you can see no buying has been done. So this quarter will be a very good movement, because when this much amount is coming to the future supply chain, so when the debt will start clearing, then definitely everything will be cleared. The pledging also will be removed, and the company will have a good move. So once the Reliance is taking over, implies that a very good future for the company. Okay, now we'll see the next possible levels on charts. So focus on the levels. So this was the news almost present almost all the insiders were aware of this news, so that's why, so this many days they have done the trading, and almost they made a panic situation between the retailers. So people who have sold, that's not a great thing, great sign. So people who have hold this particular stock, so the patience level is very good for those people. Okay, now let's see on technical charts. So you can see today the share movement, actually you can see that it has opened around 105.20, and that was only its high as well as low, means no movement in between, a complete pure upper circuit was seen in this particular stock. And also you can see after market also, you can see almost 11 lakh shares was still pending. So it was almost known, okay, the insiders also known that this news will come out one day. So definitely all of them have started holding this particular stock. Okay, now so when we see the 1 day chart of this particular stock, you can see current market price is around 105.20. So this is what how it exactly respected the level of 99.94. Okay, so this was the first level which I discussed, that is the 95 level. So it has obeyed that excellently, and then it has given a breakout from this 99.94, and it has given a upper circuit. So people who are regularly following me, they might be knowing the levels. I've discussed everything fundamental as well as technicals as well. So even the money flow index is showing that some more momentum will possible, and the momentum will come. So tomorrow you can see a very good move by this particular stock. So next, when we see in 1 week chart as well, so this was the level which it was obeying very well. So from where it has given respect, and now it's showing a movement, and the money flow index also now will start moving to the overbought region as well. So focus on the level whenever you enter in any stock, whether it may be Alok Industries, Birla Tires, or it may be Future Supply Chain, anything, any stock, just when operators are entering and doing their trading, so they will also focus on levels. Okay, so nothing will run on emotion and sentiment, because they start manipulating, so it will be completely in their hands. So focus on the levels. When the levels are given, invest only at that particular point. Okay, so this is all about future retail. In next videos we'll discuss about another share. So until then, take care, bye bye.